All right, with the used car market being so crazy right now, Coleman and I figured we'd do a little test. Carvana, Carmax, all places like that are offering insane amounts for cars right now. And the Z market seems like it's especially crazy. So we're taking Coleman's 350Z, my 370Z. We're gonna get them appraised, see what Carmax will offer us. They've both got a few modifications to them, and I know those places don't like them. They're both lowered, both got wheels, they're loud. So I think that's gonna knock our price down a bit. But I've been seeing a lot of other people getting offered some crazy amounts for their cars from Carmax, especially Z's. So it'll be interesting to see what we can get for them. Coleman's got a base model, so that's probably not gonna get much. But you know, we got the Nismo, so that might help us out. But all right, we got the trumpets, the rice boxes. We're at Carmax. Predictions?
9K.
9K for yours?
Yep.
All right, you selling it?
No.
All right, we'll see what happens. Sheesh. All right, my guess is I'm either getting 12. No, I'm either getting 11 or 19.
Yeah.
No in between. It's not going to be like an all right offer. It's either going to be 11 or 19. And if it's 19,
He's taking it.
we might be taking that, boys. Who knows?
There do be a 5.0 sitting out there.
Mustang?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Might have to go take a look-sees. Dude, get her dialed in, bud. Hey, if we take the 19, though, what, like, Mustang? Like, what are we getting? Drop it in the comments below, boys. It's got a few. It's got like wheels, exhaust, suspension.
Alright, is the vehicle title in your name?
Yep.
Vehicle, I'm guessing not a lease?
No, it is not. All right, we just got the appraisals back. It didn't take too long, actually. It was pretty quick. They just went and took pictures. They didn't even drive it. But so Coleman's got your 06, how many miles?
94,000.
94,000 miles for a 350Z, not HR either. And my man's got $7,500 offer. That's not bad, dude. I've got videos with my 350Z on the channel from like maybe 8 months ago. And I bought that thing for $4,000. And like, mine was a little bit older, but like that's crazy. But yeah, so $7,500 for a 350Z, like that's not bad. Like they were going for cheaper than that on like Marketplace. Like you could get used ones for like cheaper than that like literally a year ago. So the fact that like get that much for them from like literally just CarMax or something like right now is crazy. But for my car, low key, I was expecting less for your car than what you got and more for my car than what I got. So mine's a 09 Nismo, 87,000 miles, and my cash offer was 14. So not as much as I've seen people been getting online, but I mean it does have like some cosmetic issues and stuff. But honestly, I think I'm gonna get more for the more if I sell it private party. Like I'll be able to get a good bit more. I think you could probably get more for your car if you sold it private party.
Yeah.
Like probably a good 9.
Good 9.
Yeah.
Strong 9.
Yeah, strong 9.
Strong
But I mean, I guess that's pretty close to what you paid, and mine's pretty close to what I paid.
Yep.
So, I mean, I don't know. I guess it was pretty close to being accurate. But yeah, that was my first time at CarMax, first time anywhere like that. So I really had no idea what to expect.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
Decently good experience.
Yeah, no, not bad. I mean,
Well, for me, it was a decently good
had
experience.
some good help. Yeah. Anyways, but yeah, so I mean, I guess if you need out of your Z quick, take it to CarMax.
Yep.
Not a bad deal, but
Don't throw, like, if you're gonna buy it, maybe even just go get it appraised as soon as you buy it. See how much you can get from it
maybe you
for
can
it
just
from them.
Yeah, just get some free money
Before you blow money on it, like put $3,000 into it, and then you can never get that $3,000 back out.
True. All right, that was a good little experiment. Catch you in the next one, boys.